BOJstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Monday, April 7th. We have a somewhat relaxed start to the week. At 7:15 GMT, we have inflation data from Switzerland, which could generate some volatility in the Swiss franc. Then at 8:30 GMT, we have investor confidence from the Eurozone, which could generate some volatility in the euro. And then in the evening at 7 o'clock, we have United States consumer credit. Overnight, we also have the monetary policy decision by the Bank of Japan. In the markets, the S&P 500 on Friday dropped by 1.3%. This was after disappointing data from non-farm payrolls. It's important to point out that a significant component of this drop was due to stocks that have been performing well within the short term, such as Google, which is indicative that this move was mostly, or a significant component of this move was due to profit taking. Several analysts have pointed out that the American economy continues to be strong, and the expectation is for markets to continue to move on the upside. A similar situation we also had in the Asian session during early trading today, where Asian stocks dropped, which is not all that surprising after 9 consecutive days on the upside. Again, most of that drop was due to assets that have been performing well over the last couple of months, which is an indication that the drop was due to profit taking. Also, China was closed during trading today. Going into the session, S&P 500 futures are trading down by 0.1%, which is neutral to slightly downside, slightly risk-off environment. The euro on Friday continued to move on the downside. However, it's just a hair below what had previously been support at 137. If this level were to hold, we could see the euro pushing back towards 137.40. At the moment, the euro is just slightly oversold at the moment, according to RSI. If this level were not to hold, we could see the euro pushing down towards 136.50. The pound came down to very close to the bottom of this long-term trend line that's been maintaining, and also we have support here at 165.40, and during early trading has already started to rebound. We have resistance at 166 to 166.10, and then above that we have 166.80. The yen on Friday had a significant retracement. The dollar-yen pair. This was due to increased strength in the yen versus the dollar. The yen is broadly considered a safe haven asset, so this strong move was not all that surprising considering the drop in the S&P 500. And considering the drop in Asian assets, the dollar-yen pair would also be expected to continue on the move downside during early trading today as well. However, depending on how equities perform during the day, we could see would give us an indicator where this currency pair is going. At the moment, we have support at 102.75, and we have resistance at 103.30. And then we have gold, similar situation. Gold is also considered a safe haven asset, so on Friday we had a rebound on the upside. However, this is still not strong enough to take it out of RSI, showing that gold at the moment is oversold. So we're still on track for a continuing move on the upside for a correction. On Friday, it came up to resistance at 1,310, and then retraced slightly to close at 1,302. If that tendency were to continue today, we have next level resistance at 1,340. However, on the downside, we have support at 1,285. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.